Hi everyone, I'm Bradley Schlagheck, QC Design School graduate and student ambassador. I'm also a professional organizer and interior decorator. I'm the owner and co-founder of Foundation Home, a complete home and lifestyle management company in New York City that provides organization, decor, and unique services to make you thrive in your most personal space. This video is the second installment of QC's Starting an Organizing Business series. Stick around while I provide a crash course on the professional organizing salary. I'll also be talking about my own personal experience setting business rates, and I'll give you my top 3 tips for properly setting them. If you enjoy this video, don't forget to like, comment with your favorite tip, subscribe to QC's channel, and turn on your notifications. That way, you'll never miss all this great content made just for you. Let's get started by talking about the average salary that a professional organizer can earn. The following numbers are based on full-time careers. In the United States, a professional organizer can earn between $40,000 and $54,500 per year with an average salary of $47,153. In Canada, an organizer can earn anywhere between $35,000 to $65,000 per year with an average salary of $47,000. In the United Kingdom, an organizer can earn anywhere between £17,000 and £37,000 per year with an average salary of £25,061. In Australia, a professional organizer can earn anywhere between $68,000 and $135,000 per year with an average of $87,750. Now remember, there are some important factors to consider. The salaries and numbers that I just gave are not a guarantee. Rather, they're an average estimate of what someone could potentially earn when they're working as a professional organizer. This means working full-time, booking regular clients, having great customer service, and implementing perfect business practices. Also keep in mind other important factors that have an impact on salary. These things include your location, demand of services, your particular education or qualifications, your local competition, your business and marketing strategies, your target clientele, where you're willing to travel to work with clients or whether or not you'll offer virtual services, and pricing your rates properly. Let's move on to pricing your services. I'm going to tell you a little bit about what I did. My current rates for professional organizing depend on if you want 1 or 2 organizers and the scope of the project, and range between $75 and $150 per hour. I also offer virtual organizing for $60 an hour. When I first started my business, I priced my services by looking into other organizers in the area and what their rates were. I also did some research on websites like Angie's List and Home Advisor to see what the average salary was for someone in my industry. I took that average salary and divided it by the amount of hours I wanted to work in the week, which gave me my hourly rate. It was also important to look at what city I lived in. Obviously, someone living in the middle of Kansas isn't going to make as much as someone in New York City. From there, I chose an hourly rate that I thought fit my business. My rates fit my potential client, and I've had great success with where my pricing is set. I've only slightly increased my rates over time. I decided to do this because after 2 years of work, I had a client base and great reviews on my work. Here are my top 3 tips for accurately pricing services for your brand new professional organizing business. Number 1, know your competition. Do your research on other organizers in your area and see how long they've been in business. What kind of services are they offering? Are they offering packages or just hourly rates? Compare your business model to others and see where you fit in. Number 2, don't sell yourself short, but also don't price yourself out. You want to make sure to set your prices to value your training and your work. Having a rate that's too low will tell your clients that you might be inexperienced and you don't take your profession seriously. On the other hand, you don't want to set your prices too high and turn away your clients because it's unaffordable. You also don't want to make it seem like you've been in business for a very long time, because then they'll be expecting perfection and you're just starting out. Number 3, customer service is key. My last tip is to always have great customer service, especially when you're just getting started. If pricing doesn't work for a particular client, don't lose their business because of that. Learn to be flexible, take a lower rate, or offer free consultations or discounts. Doing this for a client will make them want to work with you, and you'll start building your client base with great reviews. Everything I've said here is to help you start your own organizing business as efficiently as possible. Setting your pricing rates accurately for your business is key when you're just starting out. Remember, if you're interested in becoming a professional organizer, QC Design School is the place to do it, and you can start your career today. If you want to connect with me on social media, you can find me at Foundation Home Company or in the QC Design School virtual classroom on Facebook. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and turn on your notifications for QC's channel on YouTube. Thanks for watching, and see you soon.